You will know it and sense it.
Schrydon. It's a soldier. It's a Cretan soldier. And it's some sort of a dome vessel ship for the knights or the ones who serve. And they are responsible for maintaining order. And I'm part of the force, the group. They're not bad. They're like keepers of order. Everything is very structured and orderly. They they give out shapes to the different spaces. They decide what shapes exist in what spaces. And the shapes have sacred meaning, information, and each like under each of those like window shaped dome things is like for each like for different spaces. It's different shapes for different spaces. So when the creatures go under the dome shaped things, they are taking care of a specific area of the universe. They are watching over the order of a specific place. And the thing, it's a spaceship. That's why I couldn't see around me. I'm inside something. And the thing moves, it changes shapes depending on the space that it's in. So that's where I am.
Beautiful. Now, do you remember these people that you're with? Are these your people or your workers? Your coworkers?
Co-workers.
Yeah, you guys all have the same job title?
It's more, it's order. It's like knights. It's very honorable. It's um it's equality. It's equality. Everybody is equal because it's equally important to bring order to each space. And so there's no one individual whose space is more important than the other. But it's not friendship, but it's duty. It's what we have to do. It's not hmm, it's what you have to do. It's a service, it's a duty. Mm.
How did you get to have this duty? Were you picked or chosen? How did you
You-
do this?
You're born into it.
Can you explain a little bit more about that?
It's just you're born into it. It's just that's what you have to do. That's your purpose. It's not a decision. It's a calling. I don't know the word in English. It's like matango sana. It's a thing that's passed on like from each lineage to lineage, but it's just that's what it is. It's not a there's no decision, there's no choice. It's just that's what it is.
Is your people, all your people, is this their duty or some of them?
All of them.
Is it because you guys are this bird-like being? You have these
Hmm.
abilities, or what
Mhm.
gives you this?
Mhm.
And what are you as well? Are you able to explain that and tap into that?
Um, a syncretin, a citron bean. Um, it's
Yes, what can you tell us a little bit more about that? Just take a deep breath and relax, and all the information will flow right through you. It will flow naturally through you. You're doing beautiful. You're doing great. Just let the information flow. What can you tell us about you?
it's a representation of it's a representation of like mechanical, technical, and organic life form. And the planet is pretty bare. I mean, we don't eat, there's no food. It's just beauty. It's no water, no food, no trees, no plants. There's nothing like that. It looks like a just a like a big shiny place, like a big smooth looking rock. I can't explain.
Is it
uh
like a moon, like bright like a moon?
yeah, yeah, like a moon. Yeah, there's nothing. It's but there's nothing needed. So like nothing like we don't eat. We just are.
How are you guys created? Do you procreate? Is there male and female?
Oh, no procreation, just a certain number that exists. A certain number that exists and just for this purpose. But no procreation, no death, no being born, no dying, just being. Just a sense of being.
What dimension would you be in?
Citron,
What is it?
Citron.
What's that?
It's a dimension on the outer edge of the trillionth moon.
Wow. Of the trillionth moon?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me just a brief little bit about the trillionth moon? What is that? I've never heard of this. What can you tell us about that?
It's a place for just like prefects, like a prefects, like those who prefect over, prefects of certain spaces, prefects who bring order, help enforce rules, the rules that govern.
Hmm. So, what happens on these moons? Are these moons for certain purposes? I
Mhm.
know I'm getting off topic a little bit, but I just thought that was fascinating that you mentioned the trillionth moon. So I just thought I'd ask really quick, is there anything you can just tell us briefly what the significance of these moons are?
They're color coded by purpose, and each each of my species reports to one of them. It depends on your what you're supposed to be doing. It's like for information download that helps you when you're in the dorms, when you're in the when you're in the domes, when you're on the move. But that's like the home base.
Mm. Wow, that's fascinating. So, you've come to this space. What are you doing here now that you're back here? Is there a specific job you need to do while you're here?
I need to restore order